Colorado, severe weather is possible today. Let's follow the forecast funnel to find out what's going on. Currently, we are still experiencing monsoonal flow. This is a weak zonal flow with winds out of the southwest to the northeast in the top levels of the atmosphere. This also is supported by the jet stream at the 250 millibar level. Over Colorado, we have about 70 knots of wind. This isn't really a crazy strong jet stream, but it does still support the risk for thunderstorms and possibly severe weather. Now, let's look at which direction thunderstorms are going to move. A quick lesson on that, we look at the mid levels of the atmosphere for the wind direction. That is called the steering flow. Steering flow determines the directions that thunderstorms move. Now, in this case, the steering flow today looks like it is out of the northwest, so storms should be moving from northwest to southeast. Keep in mind any outflow boundaries that spawn may cause storms to move in unique and chaotic ways. Moving on to CAPE values. There is up to 3,000 CAPE in the northeastern corner of the state. This will support severe up to and including tornadoes. The CAPE values lower and weaken as we get closer to the mountain and move west. So Denver, Colorado Springs area still has higher CAPE, but not as high as the northeastern corner. Severe all around, just less risk as we get closer to the mountains. Now let's try to figure out exactly what's going on with the timing. This is simulated radar starting at 11 a.m. This is the HRRR run from this morning. Simulated radar shows convection firing between 11 to noon in the mountains, and then it starts to grow as we click through hour by hour. By 1 p.m., it suggests that storms might even already have moved off the mountains, so a little earlier today. And then we click through and we can see that they start to organize along an outflow boundary line to the east, and then it moves out of the state. This does also suggest that behind the main line there are multiple rounds of popcorn style storms. So I am painting the risk window from 1 p.m. till about midnight today. I think that the greatest threat's probably going to be with that main line, as you just saw in this data. So overall, severe risk is high today. Pay attention to your alerts.